Hey, how's everyone doing? This is Brian from What TF Trades. It's been one of those crazy days where crypto was down, the stocks were down, but they'll bounce back. I don't think anyone has to worry about anything. So I want to start this video on what uh, trading app I started with. Um, I was just lying in bed with my girlfriend and she pulled up the Robinhood app. I didn't know that you could do that through an app. I didn't know that you could buy partial stocks. I thought you had to buy one, full stock. Um, so there's a learning experience. You can buy partial stocks on Robinhood. So let's say a stock is $1,000 and you have 100, you can buy $100 worth and see what that does. You can also do that with crypto. That's a myth. You do not need to buy the entire coin. I learned that too. That was definitely a WTF moment. So I dove into it. I used Robinhood for uh, stocks to start and crypto. But when Robinhood, I had bought some AMC and GameStop and a couple other things. But when Robinhood halted their AMC trading, I was on a roll. I have AMC at $7, and it was going up to I think what 23, and they just screwed everything for me. So I have since then pulled everything from Robinhood and I transferred it over to Webull, and so far so good. I also tried a one called Basic. I wasn't too thrilled about that one. The thing that I like about Webull is it's just more interactive. It gives you more information. It's the exact same thing as Robinhood, but hopefully they won't try to screw you. So one thing that I did like about Robinhood is that you can buy fractional stocks, but you can do that anywhere. So, um, and I like the interface. It's easy. You can do it quickly on your phone, but I found out that you can do that with Fidelity, Webull, everything. So, yeah, I hope this helps you out. Robinhood was good until that they did that BS with the whole stock halting, and now I am over at Webull. So that was definitely my one of my first WTF moments trading stock. So tomorrow or later today, I will go over what I started with on crypto. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Please subscribe. I am a newbie to all this, kinda. So I'm going to be growing with you all. So yeah, take care, and I appreciate you watching. Subscribe, please. Hit the like button and shoot me some comments and see if I've already researched it. And if I have, I'll be glad to help out. Take care.